becomes cheap at any price. The use of the word is that man may learn from his loss. And the human race have widely signified the senses of this. By calling it wealth means man being the end. Language is always wise. Students that wish to learn will bring them natural genius, unlike the student that not want to learn. Education will not meet the student all the way because the student must reach out for their education. The same is true in the saying that when the students are ready, the teacher will come. The education may come in any form or shape, but will only be beneficial in the way it is used. So, with no further ado, I now formally open the program. And for the graduating student, I wish you'll be able to know what kind of career you'll be taking. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Inario. Good afternoon. Let me introduce to you our first speaker. She graduated at Central Colleges of the Philippines of year 2000 to 2004. She take up business administration, major in marketing management, and now she is our head of our admission office. Let's all welcome Ms. Joylyn Abani.
Good afternoon, students. We are here to introduce you our own school. First, CCP is located at Aurora Boulevard, Quezon City. And for your information, Central College School. And we believe that being enrolled in our school, we have a big difference to the other school for the attainment of the country's goal. Why CCP? Central Colleges of the Philippines will help you to discover an academic wealth of programs, a conducive learning environment, and an outstanding, caring, talented, and supportive faculty dedicated to teach and serve you, the students, to make the most of your potential. We offer freshman, transfer students, international students, and graduate students opportunities for the internships, research, and athletics community outreach. CCP also have a good facilities and student service. First, we have the school chapel for the spiritual needs of the academic community. Our library with internet connection, which is air-conditioned. The third is the studio theater, also air-conditioned, with complete audiovisual devices with sound system for the use of different activities of every department. The health service facilities with free dental and medical consultation. The guidance and counseling service interpret psychological exam to the students. The recreation and other activities. First is we have two campus, the extension campus and the main campus. The gymnasium is located at extension campus, and the basketball and volleyball courts located at the main campus. The internet access center with the free use of computer for the research, and the fully air-conditioned computer technology center for the different laboratory subjects. And now, let's go to the different colleges that our school have. The first is the College of Architecture. It is a 5-year course. The next is the College of Nursing. It is a 4-year course. We also have practical nursing for 2 years. The other courses will be introduced by the next speaker. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Joylyn. And now, let's welcome our second speaker, She graduated at Central Colleges of the Philippines year 2000 to 2004 also. And she take up business administration major in management, marketing management. And now she is the one of the great staff in the admission office. Let's welcome Miss Nikki Mary Zalaw.
Thank you, Miss. The Central Colleges of the Philippines also offer Bachelor of Science in Accountancy that provides you quality education in preparing you as a student to become technically competent and socially oriented. We also have Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. This course will help you to be prepared in personally fruitful and socially useful careers for the incoming competency and academic environment in the attainment of competency in the field of banking and finance, computer science, economics, management, and marketing. The course of BSBA or BSBA will have 4 majors. These are the management, marketing, computer management, and lastly, banking and finance. We'll also have Bachelor of Science in Computer Science or BSCS, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology or BSIT, Bachelor of Science in Information Management or BSIM, which helps you to equip in the conceptualized designs and procedures in the development of computer systems. All incoming freshmen are subjected to entrance examinations. You should bring these following requirements. The first one is your report card with the passing average. Your NSO certified birth certificate and 1 photocopy. Your certificate of good moral character duly designed by your principal. 3 1.5 by 1.5 ID pictures with a red background and your testing fee worth of 200 pesos. All application forms are available at the high school office in CCP in the month of April. All the requirements should be submitted with the filled up application form when you enroll. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm here to introduce to you our next speaker. Our next speaker graduated at the Central Colleges of the Philippines and finished Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. She is also one of the top notchers in 2001. Please welcome, together with her most outstanding student running for a summa cum laude, Ms. Cherie Lorica. Let's welcome our speaker, Ms. Mara Carlos. Let's give them a warm round of applause.
Thank you, Miss. Students, good afternoon. I'm here to give some information regarding one of the most in-demand course today. Because nowadays, there are many opportunities for our engineers. We're here to introduce our College of Engineering that aims to produce committed or competent and responsible engineers ethically committed to the application and advancement of science and technology geared towards nation development. We offer different courses such as BS Civil Engineering that focus to the design, construction, and maintenance of the horizontal and vertical structures with environmental and safety concern. We also have BS Electronics and Communication Engineering. Those are engineers that focus to the study of the transmission and reception of electrical devices. We also have BS Computer Engineering. Those are engineers that focus to the study of the hardware part of a computer or of a computer system that focus mainly on microprocessors. We also have BS Industrial Engineering, which engineers that focus to the mathematical technique that apply to business and manufacturing industry. And last, we also have mechanical engineering that deals with the study of the design, construction of and management power plants. And here, together with our students to give more talk, please welcome Ms. Sherry Lorita. Thank you, Ms. Carlos. Hello, everyone. I'm Ate She, an engineering student. I know some of you guys are excited to another stage of your life, which is the college life. I know some of you are still confused or not sure of what course you have to take. Me, when I was at your stage, I considered three things. First, is it afforded by my parents? Second, is it in demand? And third, do I love to do it? First, is it afforded by my parents? Don't be a burden part on your parents. And the second is in demand. I know no one who wouldn't want to be rich. Of course, I choose the course which I want. I think I can be rich. Everywhere needs a engineer. And the third is do I love to do it? Know where you belong. Know your passion and determine your strengths. Sorry. If you desire science and math, I think the engineer course is suitable for you. Like I love math and science. And our facilities here in CCP are very help us. The facilities help us to enhance our skills and abilities. I'll discuss the importance of an engineering to our society. A paramount reason why we have an engineering, it's because of benefiting for humankind. In modern times, we use our environment. In modern society, we are constantly interacting with our environment. We harvest and extract other resources that we need to sustain human life and culture. It is the role of engineer to minimize the danger of the people. There are my observation suggests that the structures and processes engineers implement fall into four main categories: the sustainability, safety, cleanliness, and connection. First, the sustainability. It is the role of the engineer to protect our environment and the people within it. Engineer aims to benefit the people, to improve the transportation and living habits of Earth's inhabitants. They are also ensuring the sufficient resources for the future people. The safety. Engineering manage. If they doing a skyscraper, a bridge, they must ensure the safety and the benefit of the human. And the cleanliness and public health are largely defined by engineering. Without a proper engineering and sewage system, we will no doubt run out of fresh waters. And finally, the significant focus of engineering is the connection. As the technology progresses, it is important that we keep in contact with the rest of the world. The saying, "No man is an island," is a literally comes into effect here. Every disaster, natural or not, that occurs in the world today affects everyone. Tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, terrorist attacks. The world is informed of such happenings. Without the roads,
to get from the point A to point B, or helicopters or jets, the world would seem very distant place. Essentially, engineering encourages a sense of awareness and togetherness. Engineering serves as the calcium of the society. It continuously strengthens the pre-existent knowledge and design. As a calcium ensures the healthy bones and teeth, engineers ensures the healthy environment and sustainability. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that informative speech. May we call on Glenda Tudor, Joanna Castro, Tricia Nieves, and Roxanne Puslan for intermission number.